Hey guys, Dave here. We're going to give you a sneak peek or brand new look at the brand new X cab machines. So previously the RTV X 1100, Kubota has just released this new series in the range, so very similar, but a few nice little upgrades as well. So we're looking second quarter 2026 availability, but now we have the same machine, but some nice upgrades. We got a three-way folding tray on this machine now as well. So just like the new RTV X series, the sides on these will fold down so you can have a nice flat tray. We've got the spray-on liner inside the tray now as well, so a lot harder wearing machine than just the previously painted steel tray that was on here. Biggest thing is going to be the transmission upgrade. So let's see what the Kubota have called it again. So our new high durability variable transmission. So much easier gear change when you're shifting between the ranges in the machine now, but also upgraded to 1 ton towing capacity. So a massive towing capacity with also a 0.5 ton payload capacity in the back of the machine. So very good workhorse machine, still with the Kubota hydrostatic reliable transmission, but the brand new model. So a lot smoother gear changes than what you would be used to if you've previously had one of these machines. Inside, very similar layout to what you would be used to. Digital odometer reading, power steering, tilt steering columns, high, low range and reverse. I think one of the only changes I noticed up in here, we've got some new cool headrests up in behind the seat, so you're not going to whack your head. And they look a little bit better as well. Moving around the front, we've got the new shape X series bonnet on the front, so a lot sharper design, upgraded headlights now as well, so a little bit better visibility through the night, and then our upgraded radiator and cooling system in the front as well. So they're a little bit bigger than the previous model, and we've still got all of our screens in front of these, so they don't catch any debris coming through, so it's easy to clean, and you're going to make sure you can keep it nice and cool on these hot days. So up on the front, just a few other things. We've just got washer fluid, coolant, brake, and then air filter up on the front as well. So nice and clear, clean air from up on the front instead of picking up any dusty conditions as it's down low behind the machine. Still available all the options for it. So we can put winches, tow hitch can go in the front, any work lights on the back, side mirrors on it, all the way down to a full conditioner registration kit as well. So if you'd like to have a look at one of these machines, please reach out to us. We should have availability in April, May 2026. But if you'd like to ask a few questions, place a deposit effectively, or secure one of these machines, reach out to any one of us at the AHS group and we'll be happy to answer questions and help you out.